Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a new junk journal supply haul from Amazon. First up, wanted to share this alphabet stamp that I found. I've been looking for one, and I was particularly looking for one that looked like a vintage typewriter font. And I think this is the closest that I could find. And so it comes with both the lowercase and uppercase. I tried it out and stamped just a few words to see if the letters are pretty consistent. And here you can see that the thickness is fine. And the square part, you just have to make sure you stamp lightly so you don't get that impression. And it's happened here again. And then the letter M gets really thin here. So I'll have to test these all out. But for what I'm using it for my junk journal, and for just, putting some words and whatnot in my tabs, I think this will work just fine. Another item that I got that comes handy when you're preparing signatures, and for example, you don't quite want to stitch them and do something a little bit quicker by stapling them, but the length of the pages can be a little bit longer and might not be good with your shorter staplers. So I went ahead and got this long reach stapler, and this is what it looks like. It claims to staple up to 20 pages, and then you have this little notch here that you can slide down to the length of the sheet that you're making. So I'm going to try it out. Planning to make some pamphlets and zines and signatures for my TN and other junk journals, so we will give this a try. Now, I've also been looking and was curious to see if Amazon carried a junk journal kit. So I started typing up vintage junk journal kit. What did come up was a vintage scrapbooking kit. And this one was, I think, $15.99, and it claims to have 192 pieces. So let's have a look and see what that looks like. So here it is, guys. So I found this. It's under a vintage scrapbooking kit. But when you look at it, obviously this is great for the junk journal aesthetic, that vintage look. Now, in terms of packaging, they had put it in one of those plastic envelopes instead of the padded one, and it bent the paper inside. So let's see what this kit came with. Let's start off with the larger piece here. I like this newspaper ad look. It's really pretty, and I think this would work well as a cover for a journal. It looks like it's double-sided, and it looks like they have their card. And it says, free ebook. I'm going to have to look at that. Crafting beautiful journals and albums. How to become nice. And then this is what the inside looks like, the bottom half. And then we have that other half. And it's not a thin piece of paper. It's pretty thick, which is really awesome. Our next packet has a bunch of these beautiful vellum floral stickers, which I think I already have in my stash, but I don't mind having it. I have used a lot of them. These are great for those vintage specimen cards, decorating your journal cards and your pages. Definitely going to share some of these with my crafty friends that love journaling as well. The next one has some landmark faux postage stamps here, and I think there's 2 of each kind. So I love the coloring and the size. That's pretty cool. I also love the fact that I can reuse this packaging. It looks like an old postcard, and on the back you can definitely just adhere it to the page, use it as a pocket. So I love that. Then we have this smaller packet here. Let's see, it says it has 30 pieces. We got some twine, which is always fun to use. and just a variety of different ephemera stickers. So we got books, the skyline, little global map, street map. Oh, I like that. So definitely create different layouts and aesthetics on your page. They also included some lace. Nice thin lace here. Really nice. And plain, a couple plain washi. One looks like it's kind of a dark, I almost said dirt. Dark, like eggplant color. And the other one's brown. They're not very thick, but I think it's perfect for like a kit, like just something to use up. And then we have our final bag here. And again, so far you have a lot of the elements that we usually see in junk journals when you're creating that vintage aesthetic, which is awesome. And this one's packed with goodies. Let's see what's here. I love these die cuts. We have a beautiful butterfly. How pretty is that? Some leaf, very delicate. And then we have a couple doilies in two different designs. So it looks like one has a flying bird and this one has flowers. That's so pretty. So we have that. Let me just show you that. And then we have one clear acetate kind of overlay piece here. And you can see that it has music notes in white and a doily and a flower over there. So we got the music sheet here. That's really cool. And it comes with more than one, which you know is always fun because I love to create my collages with these. Oh, I love this. This is really nice. We have some vintage catalog images here, which are always fun. Little Halloween page there. And I love how these look. They definitely resemble those really vintage book pages. How pretty is that coloring? Something here with a little bit more green. Beautiful. We have a butterfly and it's double-sided. That's really cool. And then we have some shells and some birds. This is a wonderful kit. I love it. We have some mixed media there too, with these overlaying the text. And then we have all these other pages, some botanicals. How awesome is that? And there's more. Wow. I love it. It's a little fold-out page. That's a pretty big page. That's cool. We have another one here. Oh, I love that. That's really neat. And I love that it's a date. That is awesome. What do we have here? We have some more vellum stickers. This is a wonderful pack. I love it. And I will confess, I'm a little bit impatient when it comes to ordering some of these subscription boxes. I think Amazon spoiled me with the Prime because it comes the next day, and so I was super happy to see this in the mail the following day. And look at this, they have some beautiful envelopes here. This is really cool. I love it. It looks like we have, oh, how wonderful. And these are stickers. How fun is this? Definitely going to be fun in a botanical themed. And they are pretty thick. These are nice. And look at these swallows. That's a gorgeous image. We have more of the fish. Vintage floral sticker. Some pine. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this little haul from Amazon. Let me know which one was your favorite item. I am excited to play around with this kit soon. I'll be doing a project share soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.